Today, I am here to finish what I started several days ago. As you know, I have been doing my part of my 10K and above, working out in the yard. It's just that season, right? We're moving straight into spring. Thank you so much, winter. Winter here in Hawaii is like my favorite time of the year. Moving from winter into spring is such a great time here in the country because this is when we start to get our fields ready by cleaning up and weeding and doing all the things to prep the land for planting. So I've got my handy dandy Weed Wacker, my eGO Weed Wacker, with me as I am finishing what I started. I'm really out here. There's no such thing as finishing in a way. It's like an ongoing process. So today I am going to continue weed whacking in this area. And I got a little bit of an uphill challenge here, which is going to be great in getting my heart rate up. Yesterday, I was really proud of myself. Did you see? I got to 16,000 steps, over 16,000 steps. And what really helped was obviously getting up at 4:30 in the morning and continuing to be in movement throughout the day. Definitely honoring the body though and taking breaks when I needed to. And yeah, that was quite an accomplishment. So that's a huge win. So today I'm continuing my workout and getting my steps in by finishing and working on the land. All right, how are you doing? How are you doing with your movement of your body and getting fitter every single day? I'm wanting to know. So please put it in the comments below. What are you doing? What are you up to? Hey, we're accountability partners, remember? So I share with you what I do and you share with me what you do so we keep each other inspired. All right, I'm really excited about getting my Fitbit working today by getting into the finishing up on this mala work here. So stay tuned though, because this is going to be an ongoing process as we continue into spring, and therefore there's going to be a lot of movement and yard work and just physically getting into the earth, and it's just really rewarding. I absolutely love it so much. So deep breaths, get to be here with Mother Earth. Take care of her as she takes care of us. Be your radiant self. I will check in with you in several hours. You know the drill. Let's see how well we do today in our steps. Ahui ho for now.